Hey guys, welcome back on my channel RP Let's Explore. So guys, in today's video session we're gonna see about OCR method and what OCR engine is available in UiPath and few OCR activities. So OCR is basically optical character recognition. Is mostly used for the reading text from the image, and this technology relies on the recognizing each character and its position. UiPath provides us few OCR engine like Google OCR, Microsoft OCR, and Abe OCR, and few activities like Get OCR Text exist, click, double click, and find OCR text position. So, guys, in today's video session, I'll show you how to extract text from the image. So, let's start to build up a workflow. Here, I already opened UiPath Studio, and I'm taking a new sequence. And here I have one image and I want extract the text from this image. This text get started with my free UiPath tutorial. So here I'm using one activity, Get OCR Text, and here there is one engine provide UiPath screen OCR. So using this one I'll go with the Microsoft OCR. I'm deleting this one and I'll use one this Microsoft OCR. Now I'll click on this. Now I want to store this extracted text to the particular variable. So here I'm creating one variable by using the control key, and we can type OCR data, and here you have to choose the scan, and the language is I'm writing here English, and the scale we can give up to 2. And now I'll show you how this variable able to store the text. So I'm using here the message box and I'm passing this variable OCR data. So let's see how it's work. Oh, get started is not able to scrap. Okay, we'll try one more time. Indicate on screen. I'll scrap from here. Okay, and I'll pass this variable one more time. OCR data. Here, control space and OCR data. So let's run once again. Yeah, now it's done. Get started with my free UiPath tutorial. So yeah, so this is all about today's video session. We learn about how to extract the text from the image. So guys, thank you for watching. Next time we will see another method. So keep learning, keep sharing. Happy automation.